I've won a car, 20-year-old Vauxhall Tigra.
You think I'm crazy going to pick it up?
The only reputation I do know of is that roofs rarely work.
Waiting for a Tigra. That's not it, sadly. He wants to go, but you wouldn't want to go in it.
The seat's gone rusty.
Yeah.
The seat's got rot. This fell off. The roof can go down. It just involves a pry bar and swearing. I am chuffed to bits.
Is the Tigra anything like that?
No. End story. Tigra. Hello, Luke. Look at it. Oh my God, is that the bit hanging off? Bit ropey, isn't it? He knows its best angle. Doesn't overheat then.
No, everything works. Well, I say everything works. Mostly everything works.
You say the aircon works?
Aircon's ice cold.
Amazing, because if the roof don't go down, you want the aircon working,
It's
don't
a
you?
free air conditioning unit.
Yeah,
Nothing more.
exactly. Yes,
It's good for nothing else.
it's a fridge. How rusty has it got down here? I mean, what's happened here? Water getting in somehow.
That's just the seat.
Yeah, it's just the seat
seat's
runner,
gone
isn't
rusty.
it? Yeah.
The seat's got rot. Where I imagine, because it's a Vauxhall Tigra, water has spent its entire life getting in.
What are you thinking, first impressions? Well, that's honest.
First impressions, it's just as rubbish as I said it was.
Yeah.
At least people can't claim I've oversold it. Somehow it eventually got through an MOT as well, so...
How much did you have to pay him?
£45.
£45?
Yeah,
Wow.
I don't pay £54.85.
No, you paid your trade. Perfect.
Refused to pay full rate. But
So-
it just took some attempts.
So this has got worse since I saw it on the TV because there was a button.
That fell out this morning between me collecting it from my grandparents, where they've had to be
Looking after
dealing
it.
with looking at it for the last few weeks. But it's fine because I fixed it.
What, you pull it?
No,
It's fine because I fixed it.
not quite. Where the button has fallen out,
Yeah.
that's the plug that went into it.
Yeah.
Pull this out,
Short the two.
short the two, like so, he says, and hold them.
Right.
And then the boot will open.
And then the boot opens. Jesus Christ. And this is the boot.
This is the boot, all accessible. The roof can go down, it just involves a pry bar and swearing.
That comes with it, does it, the pry bar?
The pry bar, that's my pry bar, so
Right.
that's here to demonstrate. You basically just have to knock these two
Those latches.
latches out,
Right.
and then the boot falls off, collides with the car, and then requires a
lot
large
of-
amount of multiple person induced stress. So that's fun. So pry bar, all you do is you go on the latch just here,
Yeah.
and then you like
Oh,
that.
right, okay, yeah. So do you reckon it's those actuators that are broken? Should you be doing this to actually release the boot, or is it all button actually
No, there's a button.
inside?
There's two latches on the roof that you
Yeah.
need to pull, and then there's a button
Yeah.
that does nothing.
It does absolutely nothing,
It
right?
does absolutely sweet FA.
Okay. Right, so we need to
Because
hold
when
on
I
to this,
release
do we?
that, all of this will fall off. But then,
Yeah.
all you've got to do,
Oh, is that, so that's got to come back down.
you know,
Oh.
what?
So, look at that.
I know. I'm one amazed and also upset because it's meant to be like a trial by fire.
Within 15 minutes of turning up here, somehow Matt has managed to make the roof work. The car's gone all over the place with a non-functioning roof where people have just committed to either having it up or down. And I don't know how he's done that because nothing's been changed, nothing's been rewired, removed. All that he's done is gone, haha, I'm going to try the roof button. Something all of us had tried. Every single person who's had that car has spent time trying to make the roof work. He's walked up to it, pulled the button, and the roof has operated exactly as it should. Work that one out.
So I read the manual and it said there is a little bar hidden under the seat, which is missing. Pull the pull cord and then that pops that up. And then there is literally a hook that you hook the eye hook into, pull it, and it undoes both the latches at once.
That's
no
nice.
bashing with a rod or anything.
I never thought of looking at the
In a manual. I know, right?
The thing is, when you get enough bad cars, you go, I can deal with this.
Exactly,
You
exactly.
you just completely wipe it from memory and go, hey, yes, this is how it's supposed to be.
Exactly.
I had it like 4 days and 3 of them was driving. I didn't have the time to properly look after it, and seeing that someone's trying to and has fixed the roof of all things is wonderful. If I could have been in Paris with the roof down, I would have felt like the best man there. I could have pulled anyone. No girls are going to look at the Vauxhall Tigra and go, yes, that's the man I want to be with.
How often have you been driving this car?
Not very.
Honestly, did you buy it, drive around in to Clacton-on-Sea,
Yes.
and then park it up and go, this is horrible, I will not be driving this anymore?
I did do that.
I was going to ask, how reliable is it?
In the last, let's say, roughly 5 or 6 months,
Yeah.
it's been to Ireland and Paris and Clapton.
technically it's reliable.
Technically reliable car. And the engine lights only come on once.
But the engine management light, we believe, could be down to the sensor that you've changed.
Yeah, that had to change. This is my motor tray companion, so this comes everywhere with me and contains a tyre pump, which I've stolen off my dad because my tyre pump's been stolen off me. Jubilee clips, spare bulb, precision screwdriver kit, longest and largest jump leads known to man, an OBD reader, can of Monster Energy, a tow rope, glass cleaner, a microfiber cloth, a tyre repair kit, an FM receiver, a multi-tool screwdriver, bigger Jubilee clips, more spare bulbs, and a receipt for fuel that I need to do my expenses. So it's got everything that the modern motor trader would ever need.
So he's taking away everything you need to recover.
Yeah, everything that you'll need.
Everything I need for breakdown.
Coming with me.
Right, now we've got the roof down, let's take it for a spin. Oh, it's roomy. Tons of room.
How do you feel?
Well, I've never owned a convertible before, so this is my first one. So, I mean, I could have picked a better one, I'm sure. Let's give her a crank. Oh, can you feel the roar? Hey! It's bloody juddery. Jolty. She's not really that happy about anything, it seems. Handling is scary. Very scary indeed. It's so out. I gotta get the tracking done on this. This feels dangerous. It's got power assisted steering. It's not nice power assisted steering. There's no feel to it whatsoever. The aircon is ice cold though coming through. Let's see what this SRI has to give. She wants to go, but you wouldn't want to go in it. It doesn't really feel like it wants to drive in a straight line. It's got a little bit of pull to one side as you drive it. Nice smell coming from somewhere. It feels like the handbrake is stuck on or something. No life, no soul to this car whatsoever. I think it's going to need a bit of work. Right then, let's bring it round. You want it back? Have you ever driven a car with dead steering? That's exactly what this has got. No soul to it. I've noticed under acceleration when you start to go somewhere, it tries to kill you.
It's got torque steer despite having no torque.
I noticed the faster I went, the less control I felt of the car. Honestly, I don't get it. I don't understand why anyone would want one. It's the most boring car I've ever driven. More than anything, it's a bit of a nostalgia trip for me because I had a Corsa, an old L-Reg one, so one of the first of the bubble shapes. And I love the fact it's got the dash with the temperature sensor and all that stuff. It just feels like I'm home from when I first started driving at 17. But the aircon is lovely and ice cold. I mean, that's spectacular. Like you say, it's a fridge on wheels, basically. That's what it is.
It's a free fridge.
So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have no idea.
You managed to offload it onto someone. Your very unhappy car that you didn't want to actually have.
I am chuffed to bits. Because for those of you that don't know, Colin is a stalwart of Cafe and Machine. You're here more than me.
It was sort of my idea, wasn't it, to give it away as well?
You helped.
Yeah.
You helped. You said you should just give that away.
Give it away on YouTube.
And I think that was the only way I could get rid of it without scrapping it. And I won't ever scrap a
and you're now
working
the owner.
car.
I'm really sorry. And you're so happy.
And this is probably Luke's worst profit ever. How much have you lost on this, Luke?
Well, technically, because it was free, I've lost infinite. There's no percentage we can place on this.
Yeah.
The car basically owes me hundreds.
But he has freedom of not having to look at it anymore.
He messaged me this morning to say, I'm not feeling well, it's awful, blah, blah, blah. He sounded so depressed via his message. And now look at the man who's apparently been ill, not feeling well. He's just over the moon with happiness.
Suddenly better.
He rang his insurance company up. He told me this. He texted me. I rang the insurance company up. They couldn't believe it that I've actually got rid of it and took it off the policy because they were so worried. Do you live that close?
No, luckily it's going very far away.
I'm going to make a donation just so you get enough petrol to get out of Bedfordshire.
Thank you, sir.
Cars bring people together and is absolutely fantastic. A person has walked over to that car and had a look at it because there's not many left. It's a Vauxhall Tigra, but I respect the decision to go, out of all the cars at CAF, that one I like. That one I like a lot.
As much as I dislike it, maybe Matt will find something he likes about it, but for me, he's getting in it now, the car will leave, which means I now get to just walk away and never see the vehicle ever again.
Free Coke.
313 member.
That's it.
Off the lift of the sunglasses, he means business.
Is it? So, are you interested in this because you saw like what's your interest in the car?
I saw the cameras in it, so I assume you did some sort of review on it.
Yeah, well, it's been on YouTube many times. It's been owned by many YouTubers, to be precise.
Literally just the cameras. I thought you were a connoisseur of.
Oh no, unfortunately not. No, but I haven't seen a Tigra in ages.
No.
I read everything in it.
If you haven't seen one in ages, you're a lucky man.
You are, exactly.
Because I've had to look at that one for a few weeks now, and I'm really upset about it.
If you own a Tigra, you need what he's got in his hand.
Well, this to gouge out my own eyeballs every time I look at it.
Yeah.
They were rubbish when they were new, and they're rubbish now. And I am so happy that I won't have to look at the car anymore.
Yes. Well, that's not true, is it? Because we've asked everybody to tag you if they ever see it on the road. Take a picture of it and tag it.
Hope you break down. Nobody has to see it.
Oh my god.
Put it this way, I hate it so much I've given it away for free.
This is where we are filming at the moment. There you see the bonnets of the camera and all this stuff. But what's really classy is the no fly tipping, followed by, are you ready? Tina the Tigra is sitting next to piles and piles of manure. Yeah, that's right. And this is a classy gig, being a YouTube presenter and reviewing cars. Well, I'm not sure they're so right. Hello, everybody. We're in Tiga. She just had her first trip out in Tina. We are at Eastbourne. We've just been down to Sovereign Harbour with the roof down. And yes, she's loving it. What a great little prize. More content coming soon. Cook on Colours.